Hello everyone. This video focuses on the major problems of the much hyped Nothing Phone 1, the green tint problem. The images and the videos used in this video review were shared to me by a friend who had purchased Nothing Phone 1 last week, and he was asking why the green tint problem was happening on Nothing Phone 1 and what is a possible solution. So in this video I'm going to explain the green tint problem on Nothing Phone 1, and after watching this video you will understand the solution to this problem. The green tint issue on Nothing Phone 1 is wide and is even acknowledged by the company itself. Some people online are of the opinion that this green tint issue on Nothing Phone 1 is a software bug which can be fixed by a software update in future. But I don't think this is true, and I will explain why, so keep on watching the video till the end. The display on Nothing Phone 1 shows green tint at black backgrounds when phone brightness is lowered. This green tint effect is clearly visible when you use the phone in a dark room with low brightness. The interesting thing to note is that the problem does not exist when screen brightness is increased beyond a particular limit. Now, I'll explain the possible reason for this green tint issue, and you will understand why it cannot be fixed by a software update. OLED displays, just like the one used in Nothing Phone 1, are basically having an anode and a cathode sandwiching an organic emitter layer where the light for the display is produced. Electrons flow from the cathode to the anode and combine with holes, resulting in the emission of light from the organic emitter layer. This layer is having parts with red, green and blue colors, from where red, green and blue colors are emitted respectively, which makes up images on the display. When electric power is applied from the battery, electrons flow from the cathode to the anode. So when the power from the battery is increased, more electrons flow from the cathode, resulting in high intensity light emission, and the display brightness increases. Now coming to our green tint issue, when the screen brightness is reduced, the electron flow is also reduced. But in case of some displays, green colored area of the emissive layer receives more electrons than they should. This can be because of improper doping during manufacturing of the emissive layer, whereby green portion is more conductive and attracting more electrons. Or this can happen if a thin green film develops above the red and blue parts of the emissive layer. Mention in the comment section below if you have any doubts regarding this. So even if you didn't understand the technicalities on how an OLED display works and why this green tint problem is happening, just know this: the green tint issue on Nothing Phone 1 seems to be a hardware defect that will not completely go away with any software update. The major proof of this problem being a hardware issue is that not all phones have this green tint problem. But then some people will say that almost all OLED displays including OnePlus and Samsung phones are also having this problem. But what I would like to point out is that this problem was only common with certain batches of phones from OnePlus, Samsung and even Apple using displays made by Samsung, and not with entire phones. And also most of these phones started developing this problem only after 6 to 7 months of usage. So now there is a relevant question: why is the company releasing a software update? The answer is simple: just to satisfy concerned consumers. In reality, what a software update can do is make the operating system on the phone suppress green color vibrancy while boosting those of red and blue, whereby the effect of this green tint issue is reduced. Before going any further with this video, I'd like to draw your attention to my YouTube channel. I regularly upload videos based on problems that different Android phone users are facing, and also suggest possible remedies to help everyone. It would be really great if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel as a token of appreciation for my efforts. Even though Nothing Phone 1 has well advertised specifications including a 6.55 inches OLED display with HDR10 Plus support, 120Hz refresh rate, hardware including a Snapdragon 778G Plus with Adreno 642L GPU and 8 or 12 GB of RAM, and cameras including a 50 megapixel main camera can shoot 4K videos and a 50 megapixel ultra-wide camera along with a 60 megapixel front facing camera. However, the display problem, which is basically a hardware problem, is a huge concern. So if you're buying Nothing Phone 1, then the only best solution is to test the display properly and get a replacement soon if you're having this green tint issue. According to me, the only attractive feature of Nothing Phone 1 is the glyph illumination feature, which makes the phone stand out even when battery consumption is on the higher side. If you are facing any other problems on the phone or want to ask anything else, please make use of the comment section till you're satisfied. Thanks for liking this video and subscribing to my channel. I'll be really grateful if you can share this to your friends and make them aware of these problems on the phone. Please click the playlist here to get more information on various phone models and understand what all problems they are having. Thanks again. Bye.